Alright, you can't post this until it's been revealed. Nobody knows anything yet. It's a work in progress.
Oh my god.
Did I give up? Was it too hard? Or was it too hard cause I just gave up? Just gave up. Did I sleep away the day cause I was tired? Or did I get tired cause I slept too much? Slept too much. We go up and down, we go up and down on this roller coaster ride, roller coaster ride. We fall back sometimes, we fall back sometimes on this roller coaster ride.
If you're still not sure exactly what's going on here, I'm in a rush. Let's just go.
In this roller coaster ride.
So, a few things I want to touch on. Actually, I should say this. Welcome to the vlog. But back to what I want to say, two things I want to touch on. So, first of all, I'm just going to knock this one out of the way. I'm wearing a hat because I got the haircut and I look a little bit odd. Right now, we're on our way to Home Depot. I'm going to pick up some stuff. We're going to pick up some supplies. We're heading over to James's house and we're going to making something that we're going to install for the Subaru. Now, if you haven't already guessed it or you haven't already seen in the title, probably know what it is. Now, this isn't going to be like a how-to or anything like that because another thing I'm going to touch on is the fact that I just got off work and I'm just picking up my car and I'm picking up the camera. And I've been up since like 11 a.m. yesterday. So I'm extremely tired. It is 9:53 right now. First, let's get to Home Depot. All right, so we got it. Basically got some laminate flooring and stuff like that, and then there's also the air tank to the air system. So if you haven't guessed it already, we're gonna make a basic trunk setup for the Subaru. We'll see, since I've never installed it and I have no idea what I'm doing, so it's gonna be a lot of YouTube videos and hoping for the best. So let's get to James's place. All right. All right, so just before we get there, because we're rolling up to James here really soon. As you guys know, James is the one with a gray GTR, and I haven't seen him in, I want to say, about 2 months or so, like something like that, just because of the move and everything. And not only am I been working on stuff on my car, but I've also noticed on his Instagram, which it's almost a little bit hard to track because he's so low profile about everything, but he's been doing some substantial work to his GTR. Now, what I love about James is that he likes to build everything himself. He doesn't really like to go out and just buy stuff. He likes to go and actually make this stuff for his car. Now, certain things, of course, like wrap, it's very hard to, you can't really make that yourself from scratch, but he did install the wrap himself. So, I mean, a lot like me, we just like to do everything DIY. That's the lifestyle. See, I don't know if it's gonna be mind-blowing or not, but I'm excited. I mean, anytime you see someone personalize a GTR, it's always something unique and something kind of cool to check out. Oh boy, oh boy. He's a high. I actually don't know where to go. Oh, okay, right there. Those radiates on that Audi look so good. But those look so good. It looks a lot different than Instagram. Way better in person. You can!
Yeah, if you squint and imagine that it has them. Alright, you can't post this until it's been revealed.
Okay.
Nobody knows anything yet.
Besides my aunts, and they only know because we were,
It's still
they were here with...
It's a work in progress.
Oh my god. This is completely different than what you talked about.
I know.
Oh, that is gnarly.
Really
This is completely different. Okay. Oh, yeah, that looks vibrant on the camera. That is insane. That is gorgeous. Deep Space, that's what it's called?
Yeah, it's called Deep Space Flip. It's a hell of a color.
So nice.
Got a couple more panels to go.
Just that
Got this
transition.
fender.
2019 is going to be interesting.
That's hard.
Okay, good. I was super worried that it was going to be like you know, you pick it up and it flops down like a dildo.
Oh, it's nice and solid.
So it's gonna be like this, and then hopefully the whole siding of the trunk will be like a white vinyl. So it'll really make the kind of gray oak pop when we do install it. So progress, basically, we put it all together, it's flipped over. Draw an outline of the rear deck of the trunk. So this is what would normally be the normal liner. And so did it on the back of this flooring. I don't remember the brand of the flooring or something like that. I'm actually using the box to catch the oil that's somehow dripping from the Xterra. So good on you, company, whoever made that box. Perfect catch count. I'm just gonna number each one of these panels because we're gonna take them off and cut them individually. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way down. And that way I would know exactly which place they go into as soon as I decide to put them into the Subaru. Okay, so we finished it completely, at least for the most part, but I did majorly fuck up. So the trunk layout, obviously you can't see right now, but can you guys notice where I fucked up? I'll give you a hint. It's on the left side. See that line? Yeah. So getting used to working basically from 8 all the way to 1, I just got somehow caught up in the moment of basically this being the outline. I got flipped around when it came to the pieces. Doing this side, I ended up cutting into this layer when I should have been cutting on the outside piece, and so this got a little bit of a cut thinking that this was the piece that I'm gonna discard, and I just fucked up. I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna do as far as this whole setup goes, but I do know that I want to do it kind of color code matching to the car. Now, as far as accessories, as far as how the tank's gonna be set up, I don't know. I'm not gonna install the tank today because I want to get the wires going and see where I have room and what would look best as soon as I get this in there, and just kind of go from there. I'm just gonna pack this thing up. I'm gonna say it's pretty decent. There might be some fine tuning and sanding I'm gonna have to do, but right now it's over the original mat, so you can't really even see it behind it. So it should be kind of a perfect layout. But like I said, it's not perfect, but it's definitely good enough for me. It's good enough for the first time ever.
Family's here.
And hopefully we can make it all work. But there's my leftovers. It's a big old pile I'm gonna throw away. I'm gonna keep it short, so because his family's here, I wanna respect them and everything like that. That's gonna be the end of this vlog. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna take off, load up everything, head on home, get some sleep, and go to work. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you guys can. Love to have you guys follow along with me and kind of go on this adventure together. So peace out, stay humble, we'll see you later.